Okay, well, we've come to the end of our second day of the AI Festival. Hope you've had an amazing time. We certainly have. And just before we hand over to our co-creators of this event, Orbital, we just wanted to say a huge thank you to all of the people being involved in talking, of course, throughout this session, everybody involved in the production, you, of course, as the audience who have been involved throughout, and thank you for getting engaged. Really appreciate it.
Yes, absolutely, indeed. A massive, massive thank you. I think the speakers have just been phenomenal. The sessions have been so engaging. We've been looking at all the chats that's been going on in each of the sessions, brilliant. And it's just been terrific. So a really great thank you for everybody who's invested their time to make the event go so well. I think it's quite clear, well, it is to me, I think that AI is going to shape the way that we live, and we are glad that we've been able to shine a light on this. Hopefully some people feel a bit demystified now in terms of what AI is all about. And I think actually the spectrum of stuff that we have covered over the last 2 days has been phenomenal, from, you know, NLP, explainable AI, ethics, bias, right through to kind of the application of AI and those kind of use cases, and through to this afternoon in terms of how do you invest in AI, what are the opportunities. So, I mean, I think, and I hope that everybody has enjoyed that breadth and diversity of everything that we've covered. So, really appreciate that. I also hope that we called this a festival because we wanted it to be interactive, engaging, a bit different. So I hope that you've had the opportunity to get involved with the activities and the challenges and see the demonstrations. I couldn't identify a single picture that was created by AI, so I failed massively on that one.
I wasn't too good. Too good.
Yeah, no, so I've got a lot to learn. But just to close, we set out with this festival to shine the spotlight, as I say, not only on AI, but on the east of England and everything that's got, you know, being involved with and we wanted to show the work that BT and Orbital Media, but also the very many, many partners and collaborators that we're involved with, and the work and the exciting opportunities that are being driven. So we hope that you have enjoyed this event as much as we have. I've learnt an awful lot. There's been a whole squad of amazing people that have brought this event together, and it would be absolutely impossible to name everybody. And I would, however, like to just take the opportunity to recognise the team that have been on the ground here with us in the studio all day today and all day yesterday, just helping to make sure that it was run as seamlessly as possible, and that is Quatraeus. And if anybody ever wants a hybrid event running perfectly, do give them a call. So without further ado, I would like to hand over to the fabulous Peter Brady to close us out.
Thank you for attending the AI Festival. We've had an array of groundbreaking technologies, including AI-generated artworks, an artificial pancreas, and a healthcare management tool that will save lives in developing countries. I hope this has opened eyes and lifted horizons. It strikes me, from what we've heard, that for the first time in human history, we could soon have a technology at our disposal for solving any problem we choose. Whether it be finding cures for cancer, identifying solutions to climate change, or even unraveling the mysteries of the universe, I'm certain AI-driven innovation, fueled by advances in quantum computing, will be at the centre of it all. However, this is all tempered by the ethical challenges posed by this technology, and ultimately whether there is a danger that we might one day truly lose our ability to control its use. It will need to be a carefully calibrated process of balancing the immense fruits of advancement on offer with the unintended consequences that often follow these technological leaps forward. Thank you to everybody who has attended the AI Festival over the last few days. We hope that you've enjoyed it. A massive thank you to BT, and in particular Lisa Perkins, Darren Lewis, and Dean Gasson, who have worked tirelessly over many months to help pull this world-leading event together. East Anglia is incredibly lucky to have BT as a global leader in AI technology, supporting AI Festival and helping to create the springboard for our return in early 2022. I would also like to extend a final big thank you to our fantastic sponsors: Eastern Academic Health Science Network, University of East Anglia, University of Suffolk, University of Essex, New Anglia LEP, and Suffolk County Council, all of whom are at the forefront of the AI revolution. There's all hope that the next 12 months is infinitely better than the last 12 months. I look forward to seeing you again in 2022. In the meantime, for the latest AI-related news and exciting updates on where the AI Festival is heading next year, please join our festival LinkedIn group and Twitter feed. Thank you very much.